Sculpting scrap metal. Crafting abstract decor from forgotten machine parts is a powerful exploration of how raw industrial remnants can be transformed into expressive, high-impact works of art that blur the line between sculpture, decor, and storytelling. This process begins in places most people overlook: abandoned workshops, scrapyards, dismantled factories, where gears, bearings, shafts, springs, chains, and fractured metal housings sit forgotten, stripped of their original purpose. To the untrained eye, these parts appear obsolete, heavy, and unusable. But to a creative maker, they represent potential, history, and form waiting to be unlocked. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. Each machine component carries marks of friction, heat, and labor, evidence of countless hours spent in motion. And when these elements are gathered and studied, they reveal an organic language of curves, angles, textures, and weight that naturally lends itself to abstract artistic composition. The act of sculpting scrap metal becomes not only a technical endeavor, but also an emotional one, as the artist steps into a dialogue with materials shaped by time and industry, listening to what each piece wants to become. The transformation process is deeply physical and immersive, beginning with the careful selection and arrangement of parts. Welding becomes the primary tool for storytelling, allowing disparate elements to be fused into cohesive forms that feel intentional rather than accidental. Through controlled heat and precision, heavy steel fragments are joined in ways that preserve their individuality while creating a new unified structure. Grinding follows, not as a way to erase imperfections, but to refine transitions, soften edges, and highlight contours that enhance visual flow. Polishing is applied selectively, allowing certain areas to gleam while others retain their raw patina, creating a dynamic contrast between rough and smooth, matte and reflective. This layered finishing approach elevates the sculpture from simple assemblage to refined abstract decor. Where light plays across surfaces and invites viewers to explore the piece from every angle. The process is slow, deliberate, and meditative, requiring both technical skill and intuitive decision-making, as each step shapes the emotional impact of the final work. What makes abstract decor crafted from machine parts so compelling is the way it balances chaos and harmony. Industrial components are designed for function, not beauty, yet when removed from their mechanical context and reassembled through artistic vision, they reveal a surprising elegance. A curved pipe becomes a flowing gesture, a cluster of bolts transforms into textured rhythm, a worn gear evolves into a symbolic eye or anchor point within the sculpture. These abstract forms allow viewers to interpret meaning freely, inviting imagination and personal connection. Some see movement, others see struggle, resilience, or rebirth. This openness of interpretation is a hallmark of successful abstract art and is one of the reasons such pieces resonate strongly in modern interiors. They do not dictate emotion, they evoke it, making them powerful statement decor elements in homes, offices, galleries, and public spaces. The narrative embedded within reclaimed scrap metal is another layer that elevates these sculptures into eco-luxury art. Every machine part has lived a previous life, contributing to production, transportation, or construction, and that history remains etched into the surface through wear and corrosion. By preserving these traces, the artist honors the material's past while giving it a renewed purpose. This transformation from utility to artistry mirrors a broader cultural shift towards sustainability and mindful consumption. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. In a world increasingly aware of waste and environmental impact, sculptures made from reclaimed metal stand as tangible proof that beauty does not require new resources. Instead, it can be forged from what already exists, turning industrial leftovers into symbols of responsibility, creativity, and innovation. Buyers and collectors are drawn to this depth of meaning, valuing not only the visual appeal, but also the ethical statement each piece represents. From a design perspective, abstract scrap metal decor integrates seamlessly into contemporary spaces. Its raw strength pairs beautifully with minimalist interiors, industrial lofts, modern offices, and eco-conscious homes. The presence of metal brings weight and grounding, while abstract forms prevent the decor from feeling cold or mechanical. When combined with thoughtful lighting, these sculptures become focal points that transform the atmosphere of a room. Their uniqueness ensures exclusivity, as no two pieces can ever be replicated exactly due to the randomness of reclaimed materials and the intuitive nature of the crafting process. This exclusivity enhances market value, positioning these sculptures as high-end decor items that appeal to collectors, designers, and homeowners seeking bold, meaningful art. The act of sculpting scrap metal also reshapes the identity of the maker. Working with heavy industrial materials demands patience, resilience, and respect for the medium. Each cut, weld, and polish is a decision that carries consequences, encouraging artists to work with intention and adaptability. The process becomes a form of problem-solving where limitations spark innovation, and accidents often lead to breakthroughs. This hands-on engagement reconnects creators with the physicality of making, offering a counterbalance to digital design and mass production. The satisfaction of turning cold, discarded metal into expressive art is profound, reinforcing the idea that craftsmanship is as much about mindset as it is about technique. Ultimately, sculpting scrap metal is about revealing the inherent beauty hidden within forgotten machine parts and challenging conventional ideas of luxury and value. These abstract decor pieces stand as eco-luxury statements, proving that elegance can emerge from grit and that art can be both visually striking and environmentally responsible. By welding, grinding, and polishing reclaimed metal into sculptural forms, artists give voice to materials that would otherwise remain silent, allowing them to tell new stories of transformation and renewal. Each finished piece becomes a testament to creativity's power to redefine waste, elevate the overlooked, and craft meaningful art that resonates deeply in a world searching for authenticity and purpose. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.